sir may mga news ni ko.
Yeah, please, it's a request. Please, as you know, there's a tsunami warning. Please move to higher grounds immediately. Catch a transport, move home. Please go home. Please, kere, lako, lako. First of all, I must say that the Suva City Council have invested close to $60,000 in this vehicle. This is going to be very helpful in cases like tsunami, in cases of any emergency in the city. And I've got a special team like today that if there's any warning, we will go and advise the public to move to higher grounds or leave the town and go home as soon as possible. And apart from this, we're also looking at about, as you can see, there's a siren over here at USP. We are working very closely with our ministry and with the government. We are looking at about 10 tsunami warnings, not only in Suva but all over Fiji, and that should come very shortly.
Let me